Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to shorten a Google Drive link quickly and easily. If you've ever shared a long Google Drive URL and thought it looked messy or hard to remember, this video is for you. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to turn a long Google Drive link into a short, clean, and shareable one in just a few steps. So let's get started. First, open Google Drive and sign into your Google account if you haven't already. Once you're inside Google Drive, locate the file or folder that you want to share. This can be a document, image, video, PDF, or even an entire folder. Now, right-click on the file and click on Share. A sharing window will appear. Here, you need to make sure the file is accessible to the people you want to share it with. Under General Access, you can choose options like Restricted or Anyone with the link. If you want everyone to open the file without requesting permission, select Anyone with the link. After that, click on Copy Link, and as you can see, Google Drive usually gives you a very long URL. These links can look complicated, especially when sharing them in emails, presentations, social media posts, or messages. So now let's shorten it. Open a new browser tab and go to a URL shortening website. One popular option is Bitly. Another option is tinyurl. Both of these websites are free and very easy to use. Let's start with Bitly. On the home page, click the button that says Create New or Shorten Link, then paste your long Google Drive URL into the box. After a few seconds, Bitly will automatically generate a shortened version of your link. Now click Copy and your shortened link is ready to share. Instead of sending a long, complicated URL, you now have a short and cleaner link that looks much more professional and easier to remember. If you're using tinyurl, the process is even simpler. Just paste your Google Drive link into the input box and click Make tinyurl. It instantly creates a shortened link for you. One cool thing about some link shorteners is that they also allow you to customize the link. For example, instead of random letters and numbers, you can create something more readable like My Project 2026 or Class Notes. This makes the link easier for people to recognize. Now, let me give you a quick tip. Before shortening your Google Drive link, always double-check the sharing permissions. A shortened link will still follow the same Google Drive access settings, so if the file is restricted, people still won't be able to open it even if they have the shortened version. Another advantage of using services like Bitly is analytics. Some platforms let you track how many people clicked your link, which can be useful for businesses, students, marketers, or content creators. Shortened links are especially useful when posting links on social media, adding them to presentations, QR codes, YouTube descriptions, or sending them through messaging apps where space and readability matter. And that's basically it. You just learned how to shorten a Google Drive link using free online tools. The process only takes a minute and makes your links cleaner, more professional, and easier to share. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.